beauty lovers! Welcome back to another fabulous tutorial. Ready to master the ultimate blue and pink eyeshadow look in just 3 minutes? This look is perfect for any occasion, whether you're heading out for a night on the town or just want to add a pop of color to your everyday makeup routine. Let's dive in. First things first, start with a good eyeshadow primer. This step is crucial because it creates a smooth base for your eyeshadow, ensuring that the colors stay vibrant and last all day without creasing. Apply a small amount of primer to your eyelids and blend it out evenly. This will make those colors pop and keep them in place all day. Next, grab a fluffy blending brush and a soft pink shade. This will be your transition color, which helps to blend the other shades seamlessly. Just dab a little on your eyelids and blend it out. Easy. This step creates a smooth base for the other shades to blend seamlessly. Sweep it across your crease as your transition color. Make sure to blend well to avoid any harsh lines. This step creates a smooth base for the other shades to blend seamlessly. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the blue eyeshadow. Don't rush it. Blending is key. Take your time to ensure that the colors transition smoothly. Now it's time for the star of the show, the blue eyeshadow. Choose a vibrant blue shade that will really make your eyes stand out. Take a vibrant blue shade and pat it onto your eyelids, staying below the crease. This will help to create a bold and dramatic look. Use a flat brush for precise application and to really pack on that color. The flat brush allows you to apply the eyeshadow with more control, ensuring that the color is intense and even. Feeling bold? Let's add an extra pop with a metallic pink shade. This will add some sparkle and dimension to your look. Apply it to the inner corner of your eye to brighten things up. This step will make your eyes look bigger and more awake. Use a small brush for precision. This will help you to apply the eyeshadow exactly where you want it without any mess. Blend, blend, blend. Use a clean blending brush to soften any harsh lines where the colors meet. This will create a gradient effect that looks professional. Want more drama? Grab a darker blue shade and apply it to the outer V of your eye. This adds depth and dimension. Blend it into the crease for a seamless look. Almost done. Line your lower lash line with the same vibrant blue shade. This will tie the whole look together and make your eyes pop. Use a small angled brush for a sharp look. This will help you to apply the eyeshadow with precision, ensuring that the line is clean and defined. Then, add a touch of that metallic pink to the inner lower lash line to tie it all together. This will add some sparkle and make your eyes look even more stunning. Finish off with some eyeliner and mascara. A winged liner will add extra flair, and a couple of coats of mascara will make your eyes pop. False lashes are optional, but highly recommended for that va-va-voom effect. They will add extra volume and length to your lashes, making your eyes look even more dramatic. And there you have it! A stunning blue and pink eyeshadow look in just 3 minutes. This look is perfect for any occasion and is sure to turn heads. Don't forget to set your masterpiece with a setting spray to lock it in place. This will ensure that your makeup stays put all day and night. If you loved this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy makeup tips. We have plenty of exciting tutorials coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and stay fabulous. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and techniques. A stunning blue and pink eyeshadow look in just 3 minutes. If you recreate this look, be sure to tag us on social media. We love seeing your beautiful creations. Don't forget to set your masterpiece with a setting spray to lock it in place. This will ensure that your makeup stays put all day and night. If you loved this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy makeup tips. We have plenty of exciting tutorials coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and stay fabulous. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment.